Creating an account in Jimdo is a quick and straightforward process for building your website. Follow these steps. Visit the Jimdo website. Go to jimdo.com using your browser. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Choose your website type. Select whether you want to create a website, blog, or online store. Jimdo will guide you based on your choice. Sign up for an account. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Alternatively, you can use third-party options like Google or Apple ID to sign up quickly. Agree to Jimdo's terms and conditions, then click Create Account. Answer basic questions. Jimdo may ask for details about your website's purpose. Provide relevant information to personalize your website building experience. Start building. Choose a pre-designed template or let Jimdo's AI-driven Dolphin Builder create a site for you. Begin customizing your website by adding text, images, and other elements. Confirm your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation link and verify your account.